Yes?
Yeah.
Yes. Guys, we have to hang out. We need to. It's a necessity. It's
Nothing. What?
Did you not hear any of that?
No, cut off.
Oh, I was saying we have to hang out, and I didn't say we have to hang out, and
What?
she said
Oh,
yes.
Daisy's coughing really loud. Someone get her to stop coughing like that.